I knew sooner or later it will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry like a kiss in July? Will it chill down my bones? Will it cool like the snow? And I look at my window, what the universe has in store. People passing by on the street, smiling at me. It's like being in love. The sky starts to roll up its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding now. Open and sing like birds that are spreading wings. So every night I stare at the moon just to check if she's still looking blue. Don't know who you are yet. You seem a bit hard to get, but I know you're out there. I just wait for the day where the sky starts to roll up its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding now. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading wings. So every night I stare at the moon just to check if she's still looking blue. Don't know who you are yet. You seem a bit hard to get, but I know you're out there. I just wait for the day where the sky will spread open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sing like birds that are spreading their wings. And I spot you right across the street, like a song that is strangers for me. You know and we'll smile as if we knew. All this time I was waiting for you. The sky will open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out.